Chrome silently installed a 4 GB AI model. Here's why it matters. Hook, midnight to 0:10. Your browser just downloaded a 4 GB AI model without asking you. Not a small update. 4 GB. And if you delete it, Chrome just downloads it again. This is happening right now on over a billion devices. Context 0:10 to 0:30. This was first reported by privacy researcher Alexander Hanf on May 4, 2026, and it blew up on Hacker News with over 1,700 points and hours. The file is called weights.bin. It's Google's Gemini Nano, an on-device language model meant to power AI features like Help Me Write and automatic scam detection. The problem? Google never asked for consent. There is no checkbox in Chrome settings that says download a 4 GB AI model. And at Chrome's scale of 2 billion active users, the environmental cost of that one push alone is somewhere between 6,000 and 60,000 tons of CO2. Main content 0:30 to 2:45. Here's how it works. In recent versions of Chrome, AI features are enabled by default. When Chrome detects your hardware meets the requirements, and most modern machines do, it silently triggers a background download. The model lands in a folder called Opt-Guide on Device Model inside your Chrome profile directory. On Windows, macOS, and Linux, that file is sitting there right now if you haven't disabled it. The researcher verified this by creating a fresh Chrome profile on a brand new macOS system. He ran an automated audit that never touched a single UI element, no keyboard input, no mouse clicks, nothing. Chrome simply opened a blank page via the DevTools protocol, waited 5 minutes, and closed. Yet within days, the profile contained 4 GB of AI model weights. This is a pattern we've seen before. 2 weeks earlier, the same researcher discovered that Anthropic's Claude desktop silently registers a native messaging bridge in 7 Chromium-based browsers without asking, and if you remove it manually, Claude reinstalls it on every launch. The comparison is important. We're seeing a pattern where big AI companies treat your machine as their deployment infrastructure. Your storage, your bandwidth, your electricity used without consent. What can you do about it? If you want to stop this, open Chrome and go to Chrome//flags. Search for AI and disable all the on-device AI features. Or go into Chrome settings under AI and turn off Help Me Write and related features. The nuclear option is switching to a Chromium-based browser that doesn't bundle Google's AI stack, like Brave or ungoogled Chromium. Implications 2:45 to 3:15. This matters for 3 reasons. First, consent. This is a potential violation of GDPR Article 5 and the e-privacy directive. Second, the environment. Deploying 4 GB to billions of devices has a real climate cost measured in thousands of tons of CO2. And third, it sets a precedent. If Google can silently install a 4 GB AI model, what comes next? A 40 GB model? Always on microphone processing? The lines between helpful features and surveillance infrastructure are getting blurred. CTA 3:15 to 3:30. Check your Chrome profile right now. Search for Opt-Guide on Device Model on your machine. If you find 4 GB of AI you didn't ask for, drop a comment below. I want to hear how many of you are affected. Subscribe for more AI privacy breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.